feeling a little more adventurous.
We're gonna see.
Oh my god, the trash can blew over. That sucks. It's a little steep going down. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's...
It's steep, I can tell you that much. Well, we got our flag. We got all paid and ready to go. And of course now we hear lots of thunder. Just hoping it skirts by. Couple sprinkles coming down. I'm still holding out hope that it won't be too bad.
Of course it would rain.
Yeah, of course. You know, I've been looking forward to this for 2 years, picked a day, and here's the rain, you know, just here to greet us, make sure we all have a good Wagner time. Wind is picking up. Beautiful. Well, we're heading back to go park. I see a big old pit over there. You can't really see it in the camera. It doesn't really have good depth perception.
After this, I think the Wraith is going to need to get washed. It's just going to get covered in dust.
Dust and dirt, and then it's going to be rainy, so it's going to get streaky and all kinds of gross.
Sitting here, got the generator going, AC's on for the dogs. So we're going to use the hotspot on the phone to control the thermostat while we're out.
Right.
The weather is changing.
Yes.
So we ran a speed test. AT&T.
104 down, 26.0 upload. Pretty good. T-Mobile. 121 download, 78.7 upload.
That's really good.
That's pretty impressive.
Verizon.
39.0 download, 19.9 upload.
They're all good.
Yeah, we all have service, and this is in Jerome, Michigan. Got really windy, started to rain. We're trying to decide if we should just wait it out or what to do.
It does not look good. I mean, if you look over here, the sky's a little darker. Look at the trees and stuff, how that wind's blowing.
Yeah, it's just not good weather at all.
Oh yeah, the Wraith is rocking.
Yeah.
Go figure. We decided to do this and it rains.
Yeah, I mean,
who would
have thought that it would do this? Oh my gosh, it is
blowing.
Luckily, Guy has a pail, so he doesn't get scared of the wind.
Oh my god, the trash can blew over. That sucks. Oh my god. That wind is whipping. Slightly darker over here. I'm gonna wait this out, let it pass.
Still raining, ain't it?
It is. The storm has passed.
Yes, it has.
So here goes nothing, right?
Yep. Gonna give it a try. If I fail, then it's literally my fault. I'm just glad there's no one behind me right now, because I'm like, oh, we're going.
Yeah. Big drop off.
Yeah.
Oh, you go to the right. You got this. choice to turn around here. There's a gate. Back up towards the front. It's bumpy.
Yeah, this is where everyone turns around.
You feeling a little more adventurous?
We're gonna see. I feel like the Jeep can do it.
Here she comes. Finally got some mud on it. I think the Jeep can do it.
Yeah. It's just I can do it.
We have to go to the right here.
Yeah.
Keep going. There's a lot of traffic back here.
There certainly is.
Steep going down. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's
It's steep, I can tell you that much. My Jeep could do it. I have confidence in you.
there's no way we're gonna go up that.
No.
So there's one way up, and it is steep. It's like straight up.
It looks like it's just one way to fall down.
Vehicles bring anything out here.
Yeah, I would never. Like, that's
Oh my
steep
God.
and skinny.
It looked
Like,
kinda
what?
terrifying.
Yeah, and he's just sitting there like,
Contemplating.
yeah. I thought that'd be a hard pass for me, and I got a Jeep.
They got some obstacles here, but they got like these like concrete pipes and steps and stuff. I was just gonna drive up this. He's gonna try it. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, that was just too easy.
Yeah, it's an easy ride. The full-size truck can do it.
And we made it back in one piece.
Yeah. The Jeep did really well, I think.
I think it did too, for being completely stock.
Yeah, the only thing that's not stock is the tires.
But they
Stock
are
size.
the stock size. So what'd you think? Did you have fun?
I did. I'm glad I did it.
Glad you came?
Yes, because that was fun.
Did
This
it-
is what I wanted to do.
Did it build confidence?
Yeah. the storm cleared, we were able to do some of the trails here, and I had a really good time. I'm glad we waited out the storm, though. I really didn't want to be doing that in the storm.
That sucked. It was boring. We just sat here and did nothing.
Yeah, but at least we were sitting in an RV. We weren't in a pickup truck or just sitting outside with a four-wheeler with no shelter. So I will say that the RV really came in handy at that point in time. We had food and drinks and all kinds of amenities.
You can absolutely spend an entire day here.
Yeah.
So if you have an RV, that's a huge plus because if you've got a bathroom, you've got a kitchen and microwave and air
Yeah.
conditioning.
You just swing back. I mean, the trail where we were just on the trail, we're right by, parked so close to it. You just come up, grab your snack, grab your Gatorade or whatever, and you're ready to head back out. So very conveniently located to the trail entrances. I had a good time. I'm really glad we did this. I would not be opposed to coming back or trying a different park.
And it cost us $70, but we had to buy the flag and the mount, and then a passenger and a driver ticket. So.
Right. So all of that, yeah, it is kind of expensive for what it is, but we won't have to buy the flag or the bracket any other time. Those are ours to keep, and so there's that. But right now, we are headed to a new campground to spend some more time at, and we'll be there probably in about, not too long, half hour or so.
Half hour or so, that's what I'm looking at right now is where we're going.
Yeah. So I guess until next time, see ya. Take this Wraith off-roading.
Yeah, let's take the Wraith on those.
Just try to get it out of here is enough off-roading for the Wraith.
Point in the corner, we had a motor. They probably would do.
Woo! Yeah. That'd be hilarious. Says the campground is full.